We'll guide you through how to set up a ticket system in your Discord server. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
By the end of this video, your server will have a ticket system where users can open ticket and your staff can manage them efficiently. If you find this useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Before we start adding the bot and configuring it on the dashboard, there are few things that you will want to do in the server to make setup much smoother. The first thing that we need to do is create a channel for the ticket panel. This is where the ticket message, the one with the button to open a ticket, will be sent. Ideally, this channel should be read only. To do this, just create a text channel by just clicking on the plus icon and give your channel a name like ticket. Click on create channel and click on edit channel. Go to the permission tab and scroll down and make sure send message is disabled. And after doing that, just click on save changes. This is important because it prevents users from typing random message in the channel and keeps the ticket panel pinned at the top. That way, anyone who joins the server can immediately see the ticket panel and know where to open the tickets. Next, we will want to create a category for ticket channels. This is where all of your new tickets will appear once they are opened. Just right click on the left hand side in the category section and click on create category. You can name it something simple like support ticket and click on create category. Having this category helps your server organized because all ticket channels will be created inside it automatically. Optionally, you can also create a ticket log channel. This is a private channel only visible to your staff roles. The bot will send logs here whenever a ticket is opened, closed, or deleted. This helps your staff track tickets and ensure nothing gets missed. Speaking of staff, you also need to set up roles in the server. Just go to your server settings by clicking on your server name and click on server settings. Go to roles, and then if you don't already have one, just create admin and moderator roles. These roles will be the one that you can see and interact with the tickets. So make sure they have permission that you want your staff to have. And once you have your channels and roles ready, we can move on to adding the bot. The bot that we are going to use today is called Tickety. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for Tickety. And you will see the Tickety bot in the top result. Just click on it and click on invite Tickety. And it will prompt you to add your server where you want the Tickety bot to be. Just click on the drop down and select your server and click on continue. Confirm that you are human and the Tickety bot will be added into your server. Now go back to the Tickety website and click on dashboard. If your server does not appear immediately, refresh the page. Now just click on authorize and click on close. Head back to your browser once again and select your server. In my case, it's going to be GuideRealm. Just click on manage. Once you land on the dashboard, you will see a quick setup wizard. Just click on start quick setup, and in the admin role, you can just select your moderator or admin. In my case, I'm just gonna go with admin. Just click on the drop down and select your logging channel. In my case, it's going to be logs. If you don't have one, you can create it in the Discord. And you can even set your bot language. Just click on next step, and you can even upgrade to premium plan. So if you are interested in that, you can just check the premium plan. But if you don't want premium plan, just click on maybe later. Now we are ready to create our ticket panel. Ticket panel setup is simple and easy to follow. Just click on first ticket panel as this is much simpler and you will be able to select your ticket style. You can choose text channel or thread channel. I recommend text channel as it is much familiar and simple than thread. Just click on text channel and it will guide you step by step. Next, we will configure the ticket panel. Give the panel a name like support ticket. and select your support roles by just clicking on the drop down and select any roles that you want. You can even add multiple roles, which in my case are going to be admin and moderator. And these are the roles that can view and respond to the tickets. Then just click on the drop down under ticket category and select your category, which in our case is going to be support ticket that we created earlier. After selecting, just click on continue. Now you can customize the embedded message that users will see in the ticket panel. This is the message that instructs user on how to open a ticket. For example, you can set the title as support ticket. And in the description, you can write any description like please click on the button below to create a support ticket, or you can even customize it to your liking. And next that you'll notice the component type is selected as button style. You can then customize the text. For example, you can write anything like open ticket or create a ticket like so. And you can also pick a color and you can add an emoji to your liking by just clicking on any emojis. Once that's ready, just click on continue and you will see a preview of how the ticket panel will look in your server. Make sure everything looks good, and if you need to make changes, you can just click on back and edit. Now select the channel where the ticket panel will be sent. Just click on the drop down and select your channel, which in my case, it's going to be Tiki, and click on finish. After a few seconds, Tiki will post the panel in the channel. Just go back to Discord and in our Tiki channel that we selected earlier, click on create a ticket to test it. And as you can see, the bot will now create a ticket channel in the support ticket category. The user who opened the ticket and your staff role member like admin and moderator that we selected earlier will be automatically added to this channel. Inside the ticket channel, the bot will also include an opening message like so. You can customize the message in the Tickety dashboard under the message tab. By default, the bot tags your staff roles when the ticket is open, but you can turn it off if you prefer. You can also update the text for the opening message if you want. At this point, your ticketing system is fully functional. Users can now open tickets and your staff can manage them in the tickets channel. Now just go back to your dashboard once again and add the ticketing dashboard, and you can see that our ticket is successfully enabled, and you can even see the total number of tickets that are opened in this panel. You can just click on it and you can customize it from here also. You can update your panel name. You can even select your support role once again, and you can choose your category from here also. And you can even change your ticket settings for channel name generation. You can just select panel name and ticket creator username, or you can just select panel name and ticket number. I suggest leaving it at ticket creator username. Now you can even just click on the drop down and select the role that are required to generate roles like members only. And you can even select the role to block them from creating a ticket. And you can even set the max open ticket per user by just clicking on the plus or minus icon. You can also toggle on users can close ticket, which lets the user close their own ticket like so. And there are many options here. Just choose and customize the options to your liking and click on save changes, and the panel will be updated in our Discord also. And that's it. You now have a fully operational ticket system in your Discord server with support roles, admin roles, and logs.